Link Archer MR400 versus TP-Link Archer. Which one is better for you? Let's look in the video. And if you find this video helpful, so please consider subscribing our channel for more this type of content and watch the video till the end. Here you will see this is the detailed comparison between these two. So first talk about connectivity. 200 provided 4G LTE plus Wi-Fi up to 600 Mbps on 2.4 GHz, 433 Mbps on 5Hz, and 6400 provided 4G LTE plus Wi-Fi up to 300 Mbps on 2.4 GHz. So 200 is better. Now let's look at the Wi-Fi band support. 200 provided dual band 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz band support, and 6400 provided single band 2.4 GHz. So 200 is better. Now let's look at the ports. 200 provided 3 LAN plus 1 LAN slash WAN port, and it is also provided by 6400. So both are equal. Now let's look at the antenna. 200 provided two external 4G LTE antenna, and it is also provided by 6400. So both are equal. Now let's look at the maximum LTE speed. LTE Cat 4 150 Mbps download, 50 Mbps upload speed is provided by all two devices. So both are equal. Now let's look at the Ethernet speed. 10/100 Mbps Ethernet ports is provided by all two devices, so both are equal. Now let's look at the SIM compatibility. Standard SIM is available on all two devices, so both are equal. Now let's look at the guest network. Yes, it is supported by all two devices, so both are equal. Now let's look at the parental controls. Basic control is provided by all two devices, so both are equal. Now let's look at the design. The design of 200 is compact modern design, and the design of 6400 is compact and simple design. So 200 is better. Now let's look at the price. The price of 200 is higher and the price of 6400 is lower. So 6400 is better for budget friendly users. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.